This is George, and we're going to go over the bill and subscription tracker spreadsheet that's going to help you manage your monthly bills and pay them on time. So let's dive right into it. So I have the spreadsheet open here. On the right-hand side is where you're going to enter the bill amounts. On the left-hand side here is where you're going to enter the bill details. So for example, the Amazon Prime bill here, it's going to be paid with a credit card, and you can customize those payment methods, and it's going to be paid monthly, and you can also customize the payment frequency. This is a subscription, and it's automatic payment. All right, the next part is really easy. It's just a matter of checking it off when you pay it. So currently, for this example here, we are in the month of May. So the June bills are going to be coming up due. These are signified by these items here in red. Over here are the amounts. So let's just go ahead and mark them. You will see that what happens when I mark that item as paid, it turns green over on the other side. So let me go ahead and quickly mark these items as paid. Also, I want you to notice on this donut chart here, it adjusted to reflect that amount paid. Right below that are the total amounts due, the amounts paid, and the amounts not paid. So I'm going to go ahead and mark the rest of these paid for that month, and you're going to see that the donut chart will adjust as you mark them as paid. And you will also see that these amounts here will turn green. So we just got one left to pay. Once it's fully paid, the donut chart will be all green, and inside the middle, it's going to be an orange star. What's great about this spreadsheet is that you can also filter the amounts based on different fields. So let's say that we just wanted to see all of our subscriptions. I'm going to go ahead and click right up here. And now we just have a list of our bills that are on a subscription plan, so we can focus in on them. What's really neat about this is the totals up here reflect just the items that have been filtered on. Also, the charts are based on just the filtered items. Right up here, this lets you know, this orange bar there up top lets you know that there's a filter in place. So in other words, some of your bills are hidden. So to show all the bills again, just clear the filter here, and that orange bar disappears, and all of your bills are visible again. There's another slicer right up here. If I want to quickly see which bills are set up with automatic payment, I can just click that, and those bills will automatically be filtered out. I'm going to go ahead and clear that. What's great too is you can just focus in on certain bills. So let's say that I want to just see these top two bills here, and only those two now are visible, and the chart and the totals reflect just those two bills. I'm going to go ahead and clear that. You can also sort your bills. So if you want to sort by due date, you can do that right there. If you want to sort by amount, you can also sort from largest amount to smallest. In this case, the mortgage is our largest bill. I'm just going to undo that. You can also sort them by a custom sort field here if you want to keep them in a very specific order. In the tab right over here that's where you're going to customize your payment frequency items and also your payment methods. Quick overview of the bill tracker spreadsheet. If you're interested in it, directly below the video in the description, there'll be a link to the product, or you can just visit my website at buyexceltemplates.com, where you can find a lot of other personal finance spreadsheets, health and fitness trackers, and business spreadsheets. Take care.